Hi guys, you're welcome to another tutorial on the Tech channel. In this next tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can connect your WordPress website to N8N. And now in a previous video, I showed how you can connect your WooCommerce website to N8N. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can connect your WordPress website to N8N easily. Now the first thing you'd want to do is to come to your N8N cloud and then create a workflow. Alright, so from here you'd want to click on the plus icon at the top right corner, and then you'd want to search for WordPress, and then once WordPress pops up, just go ahead and click on that, and then you can select one of the actions. You can see about 12 actions here, so just go ahead and select the action that applies to your workflow. So for the sake of the video, I'm going to be using create a post, for instance. So right on here, N8N is going to request for our credentials. So if you select and then click on create new credential, alright, so you'll be required to input your username, the password, the website URL. So to get these details, we're going to go back to our WordPress website, and I'm going to show you how to get these credentials. So now we're going to go to our WordPress website to get these credentials. Log into your WordPress website and then come right under users, and you want to click on profile. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do right on the profile is to copy the username. Now if you come right here, you see the username as this, just have it copied, and then come back to your N8N workflow, input the username, then come back again to your WordPress dashboard to copy the password. Now here is a password that I generated earlier. I'm going to be copying this, but on your end, what you want to do is to look out for application passwords, and then just go ahead and give your application a new name and add application password, and then you can have a password like this. So go ahead and copy your password, then go back to your N8N workflow, input the password, and the last thing you need to do is to come back to your WordPress dashboard and copy your WordPress URL. That's your custom domain. Come back to your N8N workflow, input the URL, remove the trailing /, and then just go ahead and click on save. Alright, so you can see connection tested successfully. I hope you found this useful. Thank you for watching, and kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel.